Good morning, sir. From Aadi Guru Prodigy. I would love to discuss an exclusive opportunity for the college. We understand that engineering colleges faces high problems in ensuring high placement rates, real industry exposure, and hand-on projects and job-ready skills with the students. To break down these problems, we have introduced three programs like the Campus Drives, Industry Experience Program, and the Career Launchpad programs. We have collaborated with IT and non-IT companies, which helps the student to crack their jobs and get into the job placements. And we help students with mock interviews, technical assessments, and HR rounds before meeting, so that the student feel confident about the interview they give. And we give live industry projects in IT, mechanical, civil, and electronical domains. We provide students with internships with practicals and job relevant trainings. We even give industry recognized certification to enhance their job prospects. And we give 100% assistance for the students in high demand tech areas like AI, ML, data science, cloud computing, and more. And we provide a guaranteed job drives for the students. And this is a very budget-friendly program for the students which benefit their job placements. And this even benefits the college in improving placement records, industry partnerships, and a strong reputation for student success. I am definitely sure AGP can add a value to your college. Thank you, sir.